Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to paint pixel art. First, select a dedicated pixel art program such as Apparel or Piskel. Next, create a new canvas, starting with a small resolution like 32 x 32 pixels. Remember, pixel art is all about controlling individual squares, so each pixel you place is a deliberate choice. This foundational step ensures your artwork has that classic, blocky aesthetic from the very beginning. Now let's dive into drawing. Always use the pencil tool, set to 1 pixel, for maximum precision. Focus on creating clean, consistent lines. Avoid jagged edges or jaggeds that can make your art look messy. Practice forming basic shapes like perfect circles and squares by carefully placing each pixel. This meticulous approach is key to achieving crisp, professional-looking pixel art. Coloring and shading bring your pixel art to life. Start by choosing a limited color palette. This helps maintain a consistent and harmonious feel. Use lighter and darker shades of your base colors to add depth and dimension, making objects appear three-dimensional. Be cautious with anti-aliasing. Use it sparingly and intentionally to smooth curves without blurring the distinct pixel edges. Mastering this adds significant visual impact. Finally, it's time to refine and export your masterpiece. Carefully review your artwork for any stray pixels or inconsistencies that might detract from its overall quality. Once satisfied, scale up your finished pixel art by an even multiple, like 400% or 800%, to ensure it looks sharp without distortion. This makes it suitable for sharing or printing. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.